if your printer keeps printing landscape instead of portrait, you are at the right place, as we have the solution for you to fix this issue. This is the Windows Club. There can be a few reasons why your printer keeps printing landscape instead of portrait, like incorrect printer settings, corrupted printer driver, etc. So let's get started on how to resolve this printer related issue. Method 1. Change the default orientation. The first thing that you should do is to check the default orientation in your printer preferences. Press Windows plus I keys to open Windows 11 settings. Go to Bluetooth and Devices, then Devices. Click on More Devices and Printer Settings. This will open the Devices and Printers page in the control panel. Right-click on your printer and select Printing Preferences. Change orientation to Portrait and click on OK to save the changes. Method 2. Remove your printer and add it again. Open Windows Settings. Click on Bluetooth and Devices. Select the printers and scanners. Here, you will see all the printers connected to your computer. Now select the printer device that you want to remove and click on the Remove button. After removing your printer, restart your computer and add the printer again. Method 3. Uninstall and reinstall the printer driver. The problem might be due to your printer driver. To fix it, uninstall and reinstall your printer driver. Right-click on Windows Start menu and select Device Manager. Expand the Print Queues branch. Right-click on your printer driver and select Uninstall Device. Again select Uninstall to confirm and follow as shown to uninstall the printer. Now, use your disk to install the driver again. If you do not have a disk, you can visit your printer manufacturer's official website and download the latest version of your printer driver from there. Then run the installer file to reinstall your printer driver. Method 4. Change your printer driver via Printer Preferences. Check if your printer driver is set as the default driver in Preferences. If another driver is set at the default in Preferences, you can face this issue. To change the printer driver, open your Windows 11 settings. Click on Bluetooth and Devices. Select Printers and Scanners. Select the printer on which you want to update the driver. Click on Printer Properties. Go to the Advanced tab. Select your printer driver from the drop-down. Now click on OK and then Apply. If your printer driver is unavailable in the drop-down, you have to install it manually. To do so, click on the New Driver button. Then click on Next from the Add Printer Driver wizard. Now, select your printer driver from your PC. Now follow the on-screen wizard to install your printer driver. Method 5. Factory Reset the printer. Factory resetting your printer helps to fix this issue. The steps to factory reset are different for the printers of different brands. So, refer to your user manual to know the right steps to perform this action on your printer. I hope the above solutions helped you to fix your issue. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.